Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Kaushik, andrologist who is specialized in penile implant surgery, practicing at Caroline John Hospital, Nagarkoil. So today I'm going to continue about the series of questions which are asked to me regarding penile implant surgery. So the next question is, so will a penile implant will affect my sensation or the orgasm? So first of all, you should understand the penile implant is placed through an incision which is placed in the penoscrotal junction, which means the place where your penis and your scrotum is joining. So this area does not have any innervation for your sensation of the penis or regarding your orgasm. This and all, we do the incision in this aspect where your nerves will be in the above aspect, which means the dorsal side of the penis. So we do the incision here and it does not affect your sensation or your orgasm. So as a penile implant surgeon, we don't even go to that side to prevent any loss of sensation, because any loss of sensation in a penile implant surgery is a complete failure of a surgery. So certain surgeons, they go for the infrapubic approach, which means they do the incision above side, even then change the neurovascular bundle, they take it away from the incision side and then they go inside. But as a high volume penile implant surgeon, we always prefer the penoscrotal incision, because the chance of any nerve damage and even the scar formation is much lesser compared to any other approach, and the chances of complication is also much lesser in case of penoscrotal incision. So a penile implant does not affect your sensation and it does not affect your orgasm. So the next question people used to ask me is, how does the partner feel about the penile implant? So this is a very interesting question. So what you should understand is the penile implant will make your penis firm, which means it makes your penis hard. So what your partner feels is, your partner feels a hard penis which you used to get when you are having a wonderful erection. So the penile implant just improves the quality of the erection and it does not affect any other sensation of the sexual activity. So your partner always feel a firm, rigid penis for a wonderful sexual activity. So according to our case studies, the partners of the penile implant patients who we had done all have a wonderful experience of sexual activity after the penile implant surgery, because they are able to have a sexual activity with a rigid penis which you used to have when you are young. So this gives a high quality of sexual life and a very good quality of partner orgasm. So in case of a penile implant surgery, what you and your partner can expect is the sexual activity which you had when you are young, or else the time when you got married, that time you would have had a wonderful sexual activity which would have got declined over the period of years. But now again that wonderful sexual activity can be regained with the penile implant. So this is the take home point of it. Whenever a person with penile implant, they will be always able to have a sexual activity, especially it does not require the medicines to kick in, which usually takes 30 minutes. But with the penile implant, when and wherever you would want to have a sexual activity, you are ready for the sexual activity with the old strength which you had when you are young or when you are in the teenage. So this is the wonderful side of the penile implant, which gives you a spontaneous sexual activity whenever you want, and you don't require to tolerate the side effects of the Viagra like medications. So this is the best option for erectile dysfunction. So the next common question patients used to ask me is, so what is the firmness I can expect from the penile implant surgery? So for the firmness, you should understand the basic thing that the penile implant is a material which is placed inside your penis, which usually covers around 2/3 of the corpora, the remaining 1/3 is the space which you have for your blood supply. So the firmness depends on your penile girth and the size of the implant which is placed. As a penile implant surgeon, we always would like to accommodate the best size and length for you, because that is what gives you the best satisfaction. So any penile implant surgeon will like to put the best size which suits you. So with all these parameters, the firmness is dependent on the penile implant for 2/3, and remaining your corporal girth also, it matters for the firmness of the penile implant. If your corpora is very hard when you are, or else if your erection is very hard when you are young, then you can expect the same erection after the implant surgery. But if you are not able to, if your erection is not very hard but able to penetrate before the implant surgery, then you can expect a 20 to 30% increase in the firmness, which will help you to have a penetrative sexual activity. Result of the penile implant surgery is dependent on the implant we use and the space, your corporal girth which is present when in your penis.